Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your real boxing profile. So let's get started. First, open the real boxing game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the reset profile option on the middle of your screen. Simply tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to reset your profile. Finally, tap on the OK button located at the bottom right corner of your screen to confirm the reset. And this is how you can reset your real boxing profile. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.